How to prompt ChatGPT. So one is to actually define the conversation context. If you want to engage a ChatGPT chatbot successfully, you should provide a clear context of the situation in hand. So you're going to start by setting a seed for the conversation, as I did right here. So I said, a client is contacting us because something went wrong. You must act as a friendly agent in charge of collecting a clear idea of what went wrong with the order. You need to ask them. So here, this is a sample and friendly and professional way to approach the client. You can write this as an email or a message. As you can see right here, if you give them proper information, context, it will be able to think about what you need and then give you proper responses. Another thing what you can do is you can be as specific as possible. For example, let's say I write about ChatGPT prompts. Okay? Look what's going to happen. Look at this. It is going to write some paragraphs, a long text. But what I can do is, if I can be very, very specific and ask it to write about ChatGPT prompts so that a 5-year-old can understand this. Understand this in just 3 lines. Check this out. I'm being very, very specific right here. And look at this. Really easy and simple, guys. So you have to be specific as possible. If you just tell it like this, write about ChatGPT prompts, it will not be specific. It will give you a bunch of information. It will just gush out information. And also, you want to also provide examples, right? This is what you do, guys. For example, I want notes in a similar style on a different topic. I want notes on the nervous system in the style as below. Add a colon so it knows everything you're giving after this is an example. Press enter and it will give you notes in a similar style, as you can see. Really that easy and simple, guys, to go ahead and prompt ChatGPT. Just be very specific, provide examples, and try to set the stage with it.